So today you are going to learn about the electricity. What are the sources of electricity you are going to see? Hydroelectric power, okay, wind power, wind thermal power plant, nuclear power plant, biomass power plant. These all you are going to learn in this one. But not all these sources, but these are the sources of electricity. Now we will go with thermal power plant. Okay, open your readers, children now. Open your readers, you will see in that one.
Hello children, this is grade 5, block 25 and S1. Topic is electricity. Open your reader, page number 154 and read out from here to till here you read out, right? So now after reading here, observe the picture, okay? Observe the pictures here. So now I'll ask you, how does the fan or light work? How does it work? Through electricity. Electricity provides energy to the bulb or fan and many other appliances to work, and we use in our daily life to work, isn't it? Okay, so what is electricity here? Yes, it is the flow of electrical power or charge. Okay, so from where do we get this electricity? So how it is made, you are going to how it is made, you are going to learn from this lesson. Okay, so today you will observe some pictures in this lesson. See, observe this picture and observe this picture also. So observe these pictures, different power plants. These are different power plants. You can see here thermal power plant and wind power plant you can observe, and here also solar power plant you can observe over here. So now to see how we use different sources to make the electricity. Okay, so now this is thermal power plant. Just observe this. So what happens here, in a thermal power plant, coal is burned to produce heat. This heat is used to the boil water, right? Heat is used to boil the water over here. The steam thus produces help to rotate the turbine, right? And it generates the electricity and it is sent to the different places. Same now when we go with wind. See, not only see, when you see this one, that in wind power plant several windmills are put together. Here you can see several windmills are put together, and the wind energy rotates the turbine and it generates the electricity, right children? So now hydropower plant also, if you see hydropower plant also, when you see hydropower plant, so here there are many other types of power plants, children. So here hydropower plants work in the same way. In hydropower plants, a dam or reservoir is built where water is collected, which is made to fall on the turbine to rotate it, right? So nuclear power plant work the same way as thermal power plants. In nuclear power plants, small particles of matter called atoms are split, right? This produces lot of heat energy which is used to heat. Water is produced steam which turns the turbine, right children? So now here all types of power plants have their own advantages and disadvantages. So thermal power plant produces lots of electricity in a short time, but burning of coal causes pollution, right children? So wind and hydropower plants, coming to the wind and hydropower plants, are costly to build and can only be set up where strong winds blow or near a water source. They do not cause pollution, right children? Now turn to page number 158. Okay, now see, fill in the match the following. You see, first one coal, you go with thermal power plant. Uranium, write down nuclear power plant. Water, B you write hydropower plant. Wind, you write C, wind power plant. Now second one, list 4 sources each of non-renewable and renewable sources of energy. That answer you have to write, renewable and non-renewable sources of energy. So now here see here, list 4 sources of non-renewable and renewable source of energy. So what are the renewable sources of energy? Solar energy, okay, wind energy, geothermal energy, bioenergy, okay, biomass energy. Now non-renewable means what you will write? oil, natural gas, coal, nuclear energy. Okay, so oil, natural gas, coal is also called as a collectively, it is called as a fossil fuels, right? So now you complete match the following and question number 2. Okay, now we will go with workbook. We will see what it is there in the workbook. Open workbook, turn to page number 43 here. See the first one. What is there? The first one. Name 3 sources that can be used. That can be used to produce electricity. What are the 3 sources, children? Hydropower plant you can write, nuclear power plant and thermal power plant are the three sources to produce electricity. Okay, now electricity, the second one, flow charts you have to write. How you have to write the flow chart? Electricity produced from coal. So what you will write here? Coal, heat, steam, turbine, generator and electricity. And here also you write wind, blades, turbine, generates electricity. Now third one, Tarun decides to start a hydropower plant. What should he keep in mind while setting it up? Write one advantage and disadvantage of a hydropower plant. So he should see that he set up the power plant near a source of water. Hydropower plants are expensive to build, but they do not cause pollution. Right, children? So whatever the work I have given, please do it neatly and correctly. Thank you, children.